Storm's Tech Channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Cricket Debut Flex. This is a new flip phone for Cricket Wireless. It is now available for $69.99. It's available in the graphite gray color option. So if you guys are looking to just get like a basic phone and whatnot, the Debut Flex is that phone for you. It does have some smartphone features on it, so pretty cool there. You guys get a 2-year warranty, which is a win. So it's $69.99 for retail price. That's for new customers and existing customers. So it looks like there's no discounts. So there's the phone right there on the inside there. So you guys will have your screen there, earpiece above that, your buttons and whatnot. Your in key is also your power button. Your number pad there and whatnot. Shortcut keys for different things. So yeah. The left side has a headphone jack. I'm hoping that is a 3.5 headphone jack, not 2.5, because that would suck. I think this thing also has Bluetooth, I think. And there is the external display. You guys have a camera right here. I believe that's what that is. Cricket logo in your screen. So yeah. So the Cricket Debut Flex has a 2.8-inch main display. That is the internal display. 2 megapixel camera, 4 gigabytes of storage. It says go back for basics. It says go back to basics and stay connected with the new Cricket Debut Flex. The Debut Flex brings an intuitive interface and easy to read 2.8-inch internal and 1.77-inch external screens. So you're always up to date with notifications. Use the Debut Flex large tactile buttons to easily send messages, and a quick press of the dedicated camera key will launch the 2 megapixel camera to capture photos or videos on the fly. Light and robust, the Debut Flex fits in your pocket just as easily as it fits in your hand. Live a carefree, productive lifestyle with a long-lasting battery and Type-C charging experience. The Debut Flex brings you all the essential features you need in a flip phone through the latest Coyote OS platform. And for added peace of mind, Debut Flex comes with Cricket's 2-year worry-free warranty, so that is pretty awesome. Features: palm-sized flip design, compact flip design with large tactile buttons for seamless access to essential like your messages. Vibrant dual displays. Features: colorful 2.8-inch main internal display and 1.77-inch external display with scratch-resistant glass. That's pretty sweet. 2 megapixel camera with dedicated side key, so that's pretty nice. It says features a 2 megapixel fixed focus camera with a dedicated side key for easy access to both photo and video recording modes. Specs: it has Coyote OS 3.1, so you do get some smartphone features on here, so that's pretty cool. Dimensions: that's with the phone being opened. It's 4.22 inches height, 2.23 inches width, and 0.75 inches depth. Display: the main display is a 2.8-inch QVGA main display and a 1.77-inch QQVGA external display, which is interesting. I don't know what the QQ is. I don't know if that's a typo. I don't know. That's kind of weird, but yeah, that's kind of crazy. But it has 4 gigabytes of internal storage. Your connectivity options on the Debut Flex include Wi-Fi 8 to 11 BGN, mobile hotspot Type-C, Bluetooth 4.2. Y'all guys get a 2 megapixel camera, 1.3 GHz quad-core processor, 1450 mAh battery. The battery is removable, so that's nice, and there's your internet compatibility is there. And yeah, it looks like that is it there. So if you guys are looking to get like a basic phone, a backup phone, a phone for your parents, or whatever the case may be, I mean the Cricket Flex, the Cricket Debut Flex is here for $69.99. You do get some smartphone features on here, so that's very nice. It runs KaiOS 3.1. I think you get 4G on here, obviously, because 3G is pretty much dead. So you do get 4G on here, which is nice. You get a 2-year warranty, which is nice. So you get peace of mind with that. So yeah, not bad for a backup phone, a burner phone, just a thing, just to throw away or whatever, $70, not that bad, So yeah, there you guys go, Cricket Debut Flex. My favorite thing about the phone that it comes with a 2-year warranty. That is a win, because always having a warranty, that's a great thing to have, because it will save you headaches in the long run. So it comes with a 2-year warranty, so that's my favorite part about the phone. But yeah, not bad for a backup phone or whatnot. So if you guys enjoyed this, video, give me a thumbs up, guys. It really helps me out a lot. Please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.